Hey guys, Digologist with you here, and me, Daniel, and Doug are back out at this field. Check it out. They're going to be putting in a lot of homes here, so we decided to get in here before everything got tore up and dug out and thrown away. I got a special guest here. Check this out. The Land Jammer, heavy duty metal detecting shovel. This thing is a beast in the dirt. I just dug one hole. It took 2 plunges and took a big old plug out. So I think it's going to do good for me today. All right, let's go find some good stuff. This thing was making all kinds of noise, from jumping from mid to highs. So I thought it was just some trash aluminum, and I was almost right. It looks like it might be an old condensing coil off of a tractor or something. It looks like it's got an electrical connector up here on the top, but I could be wrong. I'll ask the other guys and see what they think. Well, check this out. This is an old hot comb. It could have been a horse comb, but very heavy duty. And I found a couple of these before. They date way back. All right, let's keep on going. I got a nice 80 signal here. It was 80, 82, and then it jumped up to 88. And I got this out of the ground, and I cannot identify it. I thought that was a letter C, but apparently it looks similar to a horseshoe. It may be a part of an old lock. You can see the stuff inside here. That might have been a locking mechanism housing. But I thought that was pretty cool. If anybody can ID this, just go ahead and drop me a comment. All right, guys. Daniel come up with something pretty interesting. That looks pretty ornate. What is it, man?
Don't know.
Mystery metal.
It does look like on that side it could be a face.
You think it might be part of a spoon or something, some flatware?
I don't know. And if you look at this head, my first thought it was a watch winder, but that is
a clock winder, maybe.
That's a very blunt end.
Blunt end, so it's kind of blunted. Huh.
Yeah, I really am not sure. If I had to just take just a wild ass guess, it would be for like packing a pipe.
It's possible.
But there again, this could have had something else attached to it at one time.
Get a close up here. All right, anybody ever seen this before? Go ahead and drop a comment. All right, let's keep on going in this ancient field. Well, guys, Doug swears he has silver here. So we're gonna do a live dig. Nice. Well, dig that hole, man. Don't keep our audience waiting. They want to see something shiny come out of the ground.
See what we can get.
I hope it's not just a piece of copper junk, because I've got a lot of heartbreak finds that were in the 80s and turned out being.
I think we're good right now.
Turned out to be copper stuff from farm tractors.
10-4.
Oh, here we go. What could it be? Oh no.
My gosh, it's a bazinga. A big piece of brass.
Oh my goodness. I think I found something like this earlier.
Oh,
what a bummer. Oh well, better luck next time.
There we go.
Enjoy your bazinga. Let's keep on going. All right, Dom Detective is on a good signal, and he's thinking silver, and I'm hoping silver, but the last couple I've got that's come up in that range was copper pieces. So good luck to you, buddy. Dig away. There's Doug over there. They found some flat buttons, and lucky me, I've dug junk.
I've got a really nice bale seal I'm going to show you here in a minute too.
Oh, yeah, I want to see that bale seal. Let's see what we got going on here. Still in the hole. How deep is it showing? Oh, it's on that side. Your pinpointing is about as good as mine. There we go. Shall we break it up?
Hold on a second. Hold on. Any signs of it?
I think it's right here.
Where?
I don't know. I was just
you're
saying
just
that.
fucking with me.
Come on, be silver, not copper. Oh, that pinpointer's. Yeah.
I don't know.
No, no. Oh, that sounded so beautiful. A nice piece of what? Aluminium?
Yeah.
Aluminum?
Aluminum.
All right,
Man.
well, let's keep on going. I know there's some coins out here. All right, we just kind of mustered here, and we're gonna see what these guys have found. What you got here?
That is the best bale seal that I have recovered.
That is nice. I can see some design on that. You should look that up. And what else you got?
Hold on a second. Not much on that side. When I first pulled it out of the hole and I saw the writing, I thought it was a couple coins maybe stuck together, but
Nice bale seal.
and then 2 wheat pennies.
2 wheat pennies. And Doug looks like he's
Shotgun shells, harmonica reed, piece of big D buckle,
Oh yeah, that's a big buckle.
and then flat button, and then I got some other flat button in here. Cans.
In the dirt.
Here's the other one.
Okay. Okay.
And
So
then I got one little small. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. And one small one.
oh, small D buckle. Lovely. I got a bunch of these. I love finding these. I don't care if they are just D buckles. They're cool. All right. Let's keep on going. Let's find some coins now.
It's more standard junk.
All right.
Standard junk.
Yeah, I've got a few things too. All right, this was a heartbreaker. Came up 88, and I was hoping for a largie or some silver, but I got what looks like to be some type of a wheel or pulley off of some farm implement. All right, oh well, there's got to be something out here. Well, it looks like Doug found another buckle.
Yeah, this one got hit by a tractor, of course, but there it is.
And it's kind of beat up. All right, cool. Well, it looks like Doug is on the buckles today. That's what, your third one?
Third or fourth.
Third or fourth? Check
This
that
is my
thing
biggest
out.
one, though.
I've got one similar to that. It's got the round end on this side. Check that out. It's got some gild on it. Thought I saw some gild on it.
Yeah, there's some gold gild on it. If you
Yeah,
get the
some gold
sun.
gild right there.
You get out here in the sun.
Right
There
there
it
in
is,
the corner.
right there.
All right, well, cool.
Thanks, John.
Yep, let's keep on going. I have no idea what this is. It doesn't feel heavy like copper wood. It came up 88 to 90. Another heartbreak dig. All right, I gotta find something. Jackpot. We have stumbled upon an old farm building, and we're gonna pound this area super hard. And over here, you can't see it from here, there's a building there and another building over there. So there's like 3 buildings here. All right, let's get going. Check this out. This is the corner of a chest. You can see the little rivets there. It's a little fancy design on it. That's pretty neat. Well, my second target of this morning, colonial flat button with a shank, slightly bent over. Love finding these. I don't see any design on it, but that's okay. It's a piece of history. Let's keep on going. All right, looks like Doug's got a coin. What is it, man?
IHP.
IHP?
She's in really good shape. You can already see it coming in as it's drying.
That's the second one out here so far. Can you get a date?
Probably can.
I think mine was 1908, but I couldn't see it for sure. Even with my glasses on, it was just really crusty.
I see 188. I'll put it on the camera. It should be right down there. Maybe you can see it, guys.
It was 18 what?
Looks like
1880 something?
Yeah, 1880 something. The last
Okay.
number's kind of worn out. 1889 maybe.
Okay, well that's good. 1800s IHP. All right, if we found 2, there's got to be more. Hopefully some silver. All right, Doug found a button. What kind is it? Colonial? Error?
There's the Tom back part. And voila.
Check it out.
You got the gold gild on it right there.
Got a little bit of gold gilt on it. Yep.
It's like a flower button, really pretty, decorative flower button.
Fancy.
And I found a weird lock plate thing. It's really old, of course.
Yep.
You don't find those at a hardware store.
All right, good save. Hell, almost didn't dig this one, but it's turns out to be a fancy two-piece button, non-military. At least I think so. On the back, it's got it the maker, but I can't make it out. Check it out. All right, let's keep on going. I got a strong 76 signal. I came up with this thing. Definitely copper. Got a hole in it on both sides. Might have been some type of cover for something. Not really sure. Take a look at this. This thing is brass, and I believe it's part of an old watch. Look at that. You can see where the mechanisms turn, the gears went in there. I thought it was copper, but it's brass with some green patina. That is a first for me. That's really old. I'll have to do some research to see what I can find out about it. All right, let's keep on going. Check this out. That's a barrel tap. Look at that thing. Copper. I see some shiny on the side. It may have been silver plated or gilded. It's got threads on this side. Look at that thing. Oh, let's get it in the camera. Check it out. All right, that's a good find. I like these things. Keep on going. All right, Doug's here chilling because we've had a hard day of digging holes, and he landed this pendant. It's got some writing on it. Can't make it out.
Yeah, we're going to have to zoom in later and all that kind of stuff.
It's some kind of badge. It may be military or it may be a part of a club, but that's a cool find, man. Let's get the writing off of it and figure out what it is. Oh, there he goes. All right. All right, let's go. Keep on. All right, Doug is steady on the junk. This is a, look at that, skeleton key lock plate. It's twisted like a lime, and he got a couple buttons too.
Yeah, got some buttons.
They're kind of ugly because he never cleans his stuff.
Not yet. I'm too busy digging.
He throws it all in the same bag.
Yeah.
All right, so he's got, what's this?
That's a cap. It's a lead cap. I
A
gotta
lead
clean
cap, 3 buttons, and he's got an IHP somewhere.
I'm trying to get her out.
Somewhere he's got an IHP.
I'm digging fast. The sun's going down. Trying to get this done. And I didn't bring my fines container.
Oh, we'll check it out later.
We'll get
man.
it later. It's in there.
Well, this is another one of the dilapidated buildings on this old farm. We're finding that the area around the buildings is very trashy, a lot of aluminum trash. But I'm gonna keep hunting for a little bit and probably hit that field in a few minutes. All right, I'm finally on the board with a coin, and it is a Indian head penny. I can't quite make out the date, but it looks like 1908. I'll check it out later, see if I can get the correct date off of it. All right, 1 IHP on the board for me. Well, if you guys ain't never seen one of these before, this is like an old gate hinge. See the end of it? Pretty old. Dime detective's over there. Deputy Schmuck is over there. And we're gonna pound this place really good and hope we find some good relics. Stick around. Dang it. This thing was screaming 75, and I said, you know, it might be trash, Mo, dig it. Ends up being a slider for like a knapsack or something. It's old. It's copper. I'm happy with it. Let's see what else is out here. Okay, this is weird. I got the screaming signal. Look at it. It's glass in the middle. It almost looks like it could be part of a telescope, like a lens or something. It's It's really hard to say. Clean it up, see what else I can figure out on it. Copper and glass. Check this out. Another IHP. It's my second one today. Yep, my second one, and I'm trying to get the date, but I'll clean up a little bit more and get you the date. Well, best I can tell, it's 1907. I'll check it out later on when I can look at it with my loupe. But you look at that. That's a nice little buckle there. I like it. Came up a nice 80-81, so I knew it was copper. Well, really I was hoping for silver, but you know, you take what you can get. But that is a cool buckle. I'll have to look at the buckle chart and try to ID the year on it. All right, let's keep on getting it. I found this little saddle tack in this hole, but I think there's something else down in there. All right, let's try to see what else we can find. Well, this came up pretty bouncy. It's copper. It's got some writing on it. Can't make out one word but wing. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit better and try to get the writing off of it and see what it really is. Another good sounding target. It ends up being basically a grease port, solid copper. Check out this guy. This is a northern water snake. Daniel almost stepped on him. He called me over and he put a picture on Facebook, and they came back and told us what it was. We're lucky and happy that it wasn't a water moccasin. With you here, I got Don Detective and Doug with me. We did a hunt last weekend and this weekend, and now we're going to show you what we found.
All right, so
this is Doug's.
I got a harmonica reed.
All right, piece of harmonica reed.
Stinking Lincoln. It's beautiful. It's got some gold gilt on it button.
Fancy button there. That's cool.
Back is still on with the shank.
IHP?
IHP 1880.
1880.
And this cross pendant that we filmed earlier.
Yeah, we can't figure out what it is. It's really small.
We'll put it on the coin microscope later. Bazinga, cool as bullet,
Tracer bullet,
and just some miscellaneous stuff from there.
All right, I'll go next. Landed 4 buckles today, 3 small ones and a slider. This looks like it came out of a sight or scope. Got a fancy 2-piece button. 1883 and 1887 IHPs, flat button with a shank and a rivet. Now Daniel's turn.
Cap gun.
Old cap gun.
Old cap gun, couldn't find the rest of it. Old spoon ladle, probably had a wooden handle on it that's not there anymore.
I think it's pewter.
Yep. Hem weight.
Hem weight.
Old lead built bullet, no rings on it. 1973 dog tag. This fooled me because I saw the shiny in the hole and thought I had a sterling silver button, but it's actually like the top of a carriage bolt.
Yeah, they cut it off.
That says seals, insures, contents, 1965.
Reedy.
No, Lincoln.
A Lincoln.
Copper. Or did I get them backwards? Hold on. Yeah, that's not sure of the date on that. That's a wheat penny. That 1965. That looks like a grommet.
Oh, okay.
And that is like a very small button.
Yeah, we haven't been able to ID that yet, but that's pretty cool. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video if you would. And stick around, there's more great videos to come.